You're too real. That's what you are, emo dad. Oh my god, I'm not saying emo daddy. That's what you are. I hate myself for it now. No, please don't. Please do not. Please don't just no. Ah. Sorry, I left my phone. I suggest to turn down. That's proof I'm him. That's my proof. I'm literally Andrew. Yeah, nuke France, man. Do it. Want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, baby. All I want for Christmas is. I'm going to straight up eat my phone right now. No spam ever. I like sounding like a cartoon character. There's no time at all, because time is a toy you can put on the wall or wear it on your wrist. The past is always time. There's always time for a song. I know, Krish. I know you're going to clip that. I know you're probably clipping that right now. So, you're welcome. You're welcome for doing the stupid, silly little voice. Still Holly Snake. Hold on. Well, let me kill myself. Okay, so basically after that, the person that's Joe opened the other door by pissing. I have something to explain. I can explain these nuts in your mouth. I'm a Christian mom against Tally Hall. Peter! Hold on. Peter! The horse is here. Oh, Peter. The horse is here. That's not.